For a little while now, I've been using the Saunny infrared sauna blanket, and I love it. I've never used a sauna blanket, but I am definitely big into saunas, so many health benefits. And so now you could take advantage with a sauna blanket in the comfort of your own home. And what's nice about this is you're laying down, you can close your eyes, you can meditate and get nice and hot and build a great sweat. In fact, this goes up to 176 degrees in give or take about 6 minutes, and it's fantastic. Really, really great. And there's a number of sauna blankets on the market, and they use infrared, and their technology is amazing. They have a great chart to show you the comparison of their blanket versus others, and I think they really have the best on the market from what I'm seeing on the chart. But my experience using the blanket is great, and if you want to check out my full review, I share that. Now, when I got the blanket at the time, there were not the accessories that I had, which I do now, that I wanted to share with you. So even if you have your own blanket, but are looking for these accessories, then you definitely want to check them out, and I'll share those with you in a minute. But there is a link, my referral link, and a discount code where you could save 10%. So here, even where it's on sale, $5.99, you could save another 10%. But the accessories I want to share with you are two of them. First, there is the blanket insert. So this is awesome that you could put your body into it, and it helps with the layers, because otherwise they say that you'd want to wear other layers. With this, it makes it more comfortable where doing the sauna blanket. And again, this is great. So if you have your own sauna blanket, this would be perfect to add. The other thing is they have this great small pillow, and it is perfect for laying on, and you just put your head, it's not too high, and you just wipe the sweat right off. So another great way to go. Premium PU leather. Now, the other thing that you could do is you could get the bundle if you want to go that route. And again, it's 10% off that way. And so you get the blanket, you get the insert, and you get the pillow. Great way to go. So they do have a 30-day trial, a 1-year warranty, free shipping. And they really seem like they are building a great company. Their communication's been great. Now, the other things as well, I just want to share with you, they also have a microcurrent body sculptor. So that is another product that you might want to check out. They have a red light therapy hat. So another one for hair growth. They also have a massage belt, a red light therapy belt, and red light therapy is really popular right now. It helps on so many levels for health benefits and pain and recovery. And then here is one with the face mask and neck, and another great way to go, so you could learn more about their product as well. Now, the other thing I wanted just to share with you, and when you come to the website, so even if you have another brand, you can kind of compare, and it talks about the EMFs, which seems that they're all low EMFs. It talks about the temperature, but this gives them advantage here. They have a carbon fiber infrared, and also for heating as well. And so there's a great chart. And then if you come down a little further, why use carbon fiber heating? And so this really breaks it down. So big advantage that they have with the carbon fiber material and heating. So you could check that out. And then also, if you're concerned about EMFs, they do have a whole page dedicated about EMFs and talking about that as well, so you can get educated. So I'm really impressed with the brand, a really high quality blanket. It's fantastic. I have not tried the other products, but again, the addition of the blanket as well as the insert and pillow, really a great combo. And if you have another blanket, it'd be great. If you are also looking to get a gift, whether you get this set, make sure to get the insert and pillow. It definitely will make it such a much more improved experience. So there you go, and you can also check out the reviews and see some other, and this is actually really good stuff as well, as far as tips for reducing EMF exposure. So there you go. Let me know if you have any questions. Great brand. I think this is a company that is definitely making headway. Check it out and let me know. Again, if you have any questions, have a healthy day. Thanks for watching.